If you file a lawsuit, can you still come back and settle your medical malpractice case if the opportunity presents itself? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really important information. And this information is going to deal with more of the process. It's going to deal with some critical issues that you have to understand if you are thinking about bringing a medical malpractice claim here in the state of Maryland. All right, so let's go back to the question. You have filed a lawsuit. You filed in the appropriate court. Let's say it's going to be circuit court. And now you are wondering, can you settle that case after a lawsuit is filed? Or will the lawsuit prevent you from being able to settle the case? Well, the truth of the matter is that in most instances, you will be able to settle the case pretty much all the way up until the jury comes back in a lot of instances, as long as both sides can actually come to an agreement. So we have some individuals, they think that, okay, well, once the case is filed, once the lawsuit is going, once there's discovery, once there are depositions, once there are scheduling conferences and hearings and all of these things going on, that can sometimes prevent the case from being settled, or that you have to then go to the jury trial at the end, or if you're going to have a bench trial or whatever it is when you're talking about a personal injury case. And the purpose of this video is to let you know that your attorney and then the attorney on the other side, that throughout the process, negotiations could be going on. So just because a lawsuit is filed, when we're talking about a medical malpractice case, just because the case is filed and you're in circuit court and you're moving down the tracks, there's nothing that will prevent the case from being settled throughout the process. Now remember, when we're talking about settlement, when we're talking about things like that, it has to be a meeting of the minds on both sides. Both sides have to come together and agree to settle or to resolve the case. And just because a lawsuit is filed, guys, that does not necessarily mean that you will be prevented from negotiating or settling the case as it goes through the process. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm giving you insight into the medical malpractice process here in the state of Maryland. I'm helping you understand some of the issues and some of the things that can come up when you are looking to file or you're looking to go through the process. If you have more questions about what you've got going on, maybe you are watching this video right now because you had that question. You were wondering, well, if we file a lawsuit, does that mean we cannot work it out or we can't do anything else in the future? I'm shooting this video to help you understand the options that you may have. If you would like to speak with me further about a medical malpractice issue, then this is what I invite you to do. And taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. What is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can also reach me at 1-833-4-BABY-HELP. In addition to that, if you would like to send me an email, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.